my Storytime friends. Welcome back to the Sandusky District Library's virtual Storytime, week 2. We're going to start this just like we would start any other Storytime with our Storytime welcome poem. Okay, ready? Okay, let's go. Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Hello, my friends, welcome. If you didn't get a chance to see last week's clip, it's still there. You can click on it whenever you want to watch it. This week, we are going to talk all things summer. And I love summer. And one of my favorite things to do with the summer is to go to the beach. So I brought all the things that I usually take when I go to the beach. So my first thing is my sun hat. Then I always take my sunglasses. I also have my water bottle, my beach towel, and a bag to put it all in. So those are a few of my things that I take to the beach. And since you know what, I have all the things and I'm ready to go, I think I'm gonna go to the beach. So have a good day, friends. I'll talk to you later.
Mrs. Rivett, come back. Mrs. Rivett.
Hi, Mrs. Mark.
Hi.
How's it going? I'm going to the beach. You wanna come?
After story time, I want to come.
Story time. Oh my, I can't believe I forgot. I got so excited about going to the beach that I forgot about story time, friends. Oh, we need to read some stories, don't we? And then we can go to the beach. Okay, so let's get started with our summer story time. So our first book we're gonna read is Summer Song by Kevin Hinkes and illustrated by Laura Drozniak. And it's all about things of summer. Okay, the summer sun is a giant flower. And the flowers are like little suns of all different colors. But if I had to pick one color, I'd say summer is green. Green on green on green. Summer is a green song. A song of leaves and trees and weeds and grass. Lots of grass. If there is a tall grass in a field and the wind blows, it sounds like music. So do the air conditioners and the fans and the sprinklers and the lawnmowers. Most of the time, birds are part of the song, and the air of the sky, and sometimes rain and thunder are too. If you lie in the grass and you're quiet and patient and lucky, you might hear a bug song, whirring and buzzing and humming. Are there bees? Yes. Grasshoppers? Yes. Crickets? Yes. Dragonflies? Yes. And silent butterflies too. And at night, are there fireflies? Sometimes. There's one, and another one, and another one, and another one. They're singing to each other without a sound. When there is fog early in the morning, summer is a gray song. When you go to the beach or a lake, summer is a blue song. And when the sky is blue too, but the green song is still there. If you slow down and think about it, you can feel the summer song. It's warm, and then hot, and then hotter. In the shade, it can be cool. Or when you play with the hose. That puppy. But when the days become shorter and the nights come earlier, the song changes. Summer gets bored and wants to try something new, something different. The song is turning, turning, turning. It's turning into fall. Hopefully not too soon, right? Oh, goodness. For our craft, we are doing paper bag kites. And if you already got your Storytime kit, then you already have this craft should already be in your bag. And if not, you can still order your Storytime kits. Just let us know. You can fill out the form online or give us a call. Okay, so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna take your paper bag, and if you didn't get the kit, that's okay. You can do this part at home as well. Take a paper bag. You punch a hole in the bottom. This part I already did it for you. And then you take a popsicle stick, wrap some string around, and then you're going to put the popsicle stick inside the bag to the point where you have a string hanging out from the bottom. And then what you do is you take streamers, and you can use tape or glue, whatever you find works best. I use tape on mine, but whatever you have on hand, that's fine. You're gonna tape or glue these streamers to the bottom of your bag, okay? And then after you do that, you're gonna decorate the outside of your bag however you wanna do it. If you have crayons, markers, ribbons, stickers, however you want to decorate it, you can do that. I'll show you mine. I used markers and I drew some polka dots, and then I took some stickers that we have on hand and I stuck them on, and then I did some squiggle marks on the inside. So, and then the last final step that you have to promise me that you do is that you take them outside on a windy day and you try to fly them, okay? Okay, that's our craft for this week. Let's read our next book. Our next book is Surf's Up by Kwame Alexander, and it's illustrated by Daniel Mayeras. Surf's up, bro! Not yet, dude. You'd rather read a book than go to the beach? Shh, I'm almost done. Books are boring. Dude, books are fascinating, especially this one. It's about a man looking for a whale. Boring. Wowie kazowie. What happened? He found the whale. What? Whoa, Daddy-o. Did the whale eat him? Nope, the whale got away. Booyah, they found the whale again. Holy mackerel. Catch the great white whale and I'll give you the gold. Batten down the hatches. Do what? To the what? There she blows. Watch out, dude. Watch out for what? Oh, no. Oh, no. Wait, you're finished? Totally awesome book. Did they catch the whale? Who got the gold? Not telling. Not cool, bro. Surf's up, dude. Shh, I'm just getting started. Turn up, all hands on deck. Whoa, Daddy-o! Cowabunga! All right. That was our last book for this week. Next week, we are going to go back to the sea and we're going to talk all things pirates. So if you are interested, we're going to still have curbside delivery next week. So if you're interested in ordering some books and for us to bring them out to you, that is what you can do. Sorry. One of the books that would be great to check out is I'm a Shark. Another one is The Pirate of Kindergarten, Archie and the Pirates. And then if you graduated kindergarten and you want to talk all things first grade, we've got a Pirate's Guide to First Grade. Okay, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to order your kits, and I'll see you next Tuesday right here at 10 a.m. All right, so let's finish the story time with our ending poem. Okay. Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach up high, reach down low. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Goodbye, Storytime friends. Thanks for coming.